Yo, yo, yo. It's Islam, and this song is about, yeah, chemistry. Listen to me. Well, it's 1999, and most of the students are feeling just fine. They all signed up, the lads and lasses, that found themselves in chemistry classes. They didn't know Florence from Erlen Meyer, but they were set to go like house on fire. They had always done so well before, so chemistry will be just one more core to get their 90s or 95. And with any luck, get out alive. Avoid the acids, avoid the bases, especially keep them away from our places. Try hard not to burn yourself up, and never use a beaker as a cup. Safety rules and more instructions, and lab periods full of strange concoctions. But pretty soon they began to notice that it was not all wine and roses. The grade were more like 75, and most of it sounded like a bunch of jive. It was hard and getting worse. This chemistry turned out to be a curse. Bradley, Mark, and Jason, and Peter, they didn't know an inch from a centimeter. What the heck are significant digits? All we can do is sit and fidget. We're learning laws about liquids and gases, and I can't even see the board without my glasses. Argon, krypton, and neon too. Now I am really in this too. Fluorine and bromine are diatomic. This guy must be some kind of comic. On the other hand, he's not very funny, and during the test my nose is runny. All he has is paper towels, while around the room intent he prowls, making sure that we're not cheating, and extra sure that we're not eating. It doesn't matter whose paper I can see, most of them don't know any more than me. Protons, neutrons, and electrons too. I just don't know what to do. Am I really going to flunk? Who the heck cares about all this junk? Nitrates, sulfates, acetates, and more. Learning them is really a giant core. What in heaven's name is a mole? I could just fall into a hole. The teacher says this is the majors, and I have to read 50 more pages. Lab books, notebooks, textbooks scatter, and these teachers don't allow no chatter. In my head everything is a buzz. I guess I just ain't smart as I thought I was.